Hi amazing people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Tubani using beans flour and also how to make it without beans flour. So let's get right into the video. So here I have some black eye beans. I'll first of all take out the ones which are not good. Then after that, I'll transfer the quantity I want to use into a bowl. Then I'll wash it thoroughly and soak it for about 3 to 4 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, this is what the beans look like. So it's now very soft and it will be easier for us to blend. I'll transfer this into a blender. Add water which is at the same level with the beans, then I'll blend. If you don't want your Tubani to be soft, then you can add less water to the beans when blending. But this is okay for me. So I'll blend this into a fine paste, then I'll transfer it into a bowl. Now that we have our beans paste, the next thing is to add baking soda and salt to it. The baking soda is to help reduce gas and bloating when we consume the Tubani. After adding the baking soda and salt, I'll mix this very well and set it aside. Into a pot, I'll pour in some water, so the amount of water we add should not be too much. This water is to help steam the batter so that we can have our Tubani. I'll also line the bottom of the pot with some of the leaves that I'll be using to wrap the Tubani. The leaves will help with the steaming process and also make sure that the Tubani does not get burnt while cooking. Then here comes the most interesting part, using the leaves to wrap the batter. This is how we wrap the batter for our Tubani. Just look at what I'm doing on the screen and follow the process. And now we are done with the wrapping. The next thing is to place this on fire. So I've already set the fire. I'll go ahead and place it on the fire. Then I'll use some of the leaves to cover it very well to trap the steam so that Tubani can cook very well and fast. The cooking process usually takes about 20 to 35 minutes. So after covering this, I will allow it to cook until it is ready. This is after about 30 minutes. Let's see if our Tubani is ready. If you are gaining value from this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you. Our Tubani is ready. It's time for us to prepare our oil. So into a pan, I've added some oil, allowed it to get hot, then I added some chopped onions. I'll allow the onions to fry until it gets brown, and then we'll use this to enjoy our Tubani. You can also enjoy the Tubani with some shito, but we mostly prefer using the oil with some pounded pepper and salt. Just look at that. Please, if you have some beans, you can go ahead and give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will really enjoy it. If this video has been helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please leave a comment down below. Thank you. This Tubani is made using beans flour. Now let's go ahead and learn how to make Tubani using beans flour. So here I have some beans flour, which is our main ingredient. I sent this to the grinding mill. You can use your blender if it's very strong to blend to get the powdered form of the beans. And then I have some baking soda. You can use saltpeter. And then I also have salt to taste, and I'll be making use of these leaves. That is what I'll be using to wrap the Tubani. And I have some water. So into a bigger bowl, I'll transfer the beans flour. I'm making use of 8 cups of beans flour. Then to that, I'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I'll mix this together. Then I'll go ahead and add some water, then mix to form the batter. I made use of about 6 cups of water, but if you want this to be very soft, then you can add more water to it. I'll be adding the water gradually until it reaches the consistency that I want. So after mixing it for a while, I'll go in with my hand and mix it very well until there are no lumps in it. The batter is now ready, so I'll go ahead and wrap it with the leaves. So these leaves are too small, so I'll be using 2. The ones that are big, I'll use only 1. All I need to do is to scoop some of the batter into the leaves and then wrap it just as you are seeing on the screen. So we are done with wrapping the batter, and this is what we have. So I'll place a pot on fire, add some water to it, and then I'll use some of the leaves to line the bottom of the pot. This is to ensure that the tubani does not get burnt while cooking. And also note that the amount of water added doesn't have to be so much, because that's the water that will steam the tubani until it is ready. I'll now transfer the wrapped batter into the pot. I'll use some of the leaves to cover, then after that I'll cover the pot with the lid and allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, so let's see how our tubani looks like. So the tubani is ready. We can see that it has changed in color and it's also not sticky to the fingers. This shows that it is ready. So I'll take this off the fire. Then I'll pour some oil into a pan, allow it to heat up, then I'll add some onions. I'll let these onions fry until it turns brown. This is what we'll be using to eat our tubani. This is exactly what we are looking for. As we can see, it has turned brown. So the next thing is to go ahead and serve. So I'll take out some of the tubani into a plate, then we can serve and enjoy. So this is how to make tubani. We'll also be enjoying it with some powdered pepper and salt. So we'll top this up with our oil, and then that's it. We can go ahead and enjoy our tubani. It tasted so delicious. As you can see, we were busily devouring this tubani because it was so delicious. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Please like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in our next video. Bye. And you are invited. We've almost finished this food, guys.